If you're looking for the most powerful fish oil ever created, you've come to the right place. Introducing Andora's Caviar Omega, the world's first truly ultra-premium fish oil derived from caviar. Each serving provides over 750 milligrams of EPA and 400 milligrams of DHA without any fishy aftertaste.
The Andora Omega-3 fish oil is a highly recommended product for several reasons. One, it is an extremely purified product. It means that it contains no metals that can be sometimes found in other fish oil omega-3 sources. Two, it is ethically derived, meaning that it's through sustainable farms so that we're not depleting natural farm reservoirs. And three, that it has particular components within the fish oil called phospholipids, and that improves the absorption of omega-3 fish oil and optimizes its function in one's body.
Andora's Caviar Omega. It's a foundational product upon which you can create a better and healthier life for yourself and your family. Safe, effective, powerful. You can't go wrong with Andora's Caviar Omega, your complete fish oil supplement.